Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change a headlight on an Audi A4. This process is often considered the only way to properly access and replace the headlight assembly on this model. We'll start by preparing the vehicle and gathering the necessary tools. It's important to have everything ready before you begin to ensure a smooth and efficient replacement. Let's get started with the first steps. The first major step involves carefully removing the front bumper. You'll need a T25 Torx bit to unscrew all the fasteners located in the wheel wells, under the grille, and along the top edge. Once all screws are out, gently pull the bumper away from the fender clips on both sides. Remember to disconnect any electrical connectors for fog lights or parking sensors before fully detaching the bumper. Take your time to avoid damaging any components. With the bumper removed, you now have clear access to the headlight assembly. You'll find 3 main bolts securing the headlight unit in place. Typically, these are also Torx screws. Once these bolts are removed, carefully disconnect the large electrical connector located at the back of the headlight. This connector supplies power to all the bulbs and internal components. Gently slide the entire headlight assembly out of its housing. Now it's time to install your new headlight. First, connect the main electrical harness to the back of the new unit, ensuring it clicks firmly into place. Carefully slide the new headlight assembly into its designated slot, aligning it with the mounting points. Reinstall the 3 mounting bolts, tightening them securely but without over-tightening. Finally, reattach the front bumper, reconnecting all electrical components and securing all the Torx screws you removed earlier. Double-check all connections.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.